Hello,
How are you today?
fine.
I'm okay. What's your name?
My name is Anya.
Anya. How old are you?
7.
7. Okay. Do you have a mother?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like your mother?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How's your mother?
She's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Is your mother wicked or kind?
Kind.
She's kind. Okay. Do you have a father?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like your father?
Yes.
Okay. How's your father?
He's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Is your father strong or weak?
Strong.
He's strong. Is your father clever or silly?
Clever.
He's clever. Yeah. Do you have a brother?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Is your brother big or little? Big or little is your brother?
Little.
Little. Yes, okay. Do you like your brother?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Anchka, where do you live?
You live in Russia.
You live in Russia, yes, okay. And what language do you speak?
I speak Russian.
Russian, okay. And where do Englishmen live?
England.
They live in England, yes, okay. What language do they speak?
You speak English.
They speak English, yes, okay, of course. Where do Australians live?
Australia.
They live in Australia, yes, okay. And what language do they speak?
Speak in English.
Yes, well done, they speak English, yes. I mean, how many seasons are there in a year?
4.
There are 4 seasons. What are they?
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
And winter, okay. What color is winter?
Winter is white.
Okay, what color is spring?
Green.
Green, what color is autumn?
Yellow.
It's yellow, what color is summer?
Bright.
It's bright, okay. What season do you like best?
Summer.
Summer, okay. So, is it cold or warm in summer?
Warm.
It's warm, yes, okay. And what do the children do in summer?
We swim.
They swim, yes.
Play football. Ride a bike.
Mm-hmm.
Fly a kite.
They fly kites, okay. Are there many flowers on the ground?
Yes.
Yes, there are many flowers. And what color are they?
Yellow.
They are yellow.
Red. Pink.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what can you say about winter? What can you say about winter? Is it cold or warm in winter?
Cold.
It's cold, okay. Mm-hmm. What color are the trees in winter?
White.
They are white, yes. What do the children do in winter? Mm-hmm. Do they ski?
Yes.
They ski.
Skate.
Mm-hmm.
Make snowman.
They make a snowman, yes. Mm-hmm. Do you like to play snowballs?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Play
Mm-hmm.
snowball.
Mm-hmm. Is it snowing in winter?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Look. Is it raining in autumn? Is it raining in autumn?
Yes.
Okay. What color are the leaves in autumn?
Red. Green.
Mm-hmm. They are green.
Oh, red, orange, yellow, and brown.
And brown, yes. What color is the sky in autumn?
Dark.
It's dark, yes. Is it gray?
Yes.
Yes, it's gray. Mm-hmm. Do you like autumn?
No.
And look out at the window. Is the weather fine or nasty?
Fine.
It's fine, yes. And why is it fine? Why? Why?
Because it's
Because it's summer, yes. Because
it's light.
it's light, yes. Because it's not raining, yes.
Yes.
Because it's not raining, okay. Is it morning or afternoon now? Afternoon, yes. What do we say in the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, yes. And what do we do in the afternoon? And what do we do in the afternoon?
We speak English.
Yes.
Swim.
We swim in the afternoon, yes.
Sing song.
Yes.
Skate.
We
Skate.
ski in the afternoon, yes. Do we run in the afternoon?
Yes.
Yes, we
run.
in the afternoon, yes.
We dance.
Okay.
Afternoon. We play football.
Do we play snowballs?
Yes.
We
play snowballs. We jump.
do we toboggan?
Yes. We toboggan. We make snowman. We skate.
Okay, well done, Anjika. And what do we say in the morning? What do we say in the morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, yes. And what do we do in the morning?
We get up.
We get up.
We
Do we wash our hands?
yes, we wash our hands. We wash our face. We brush your hair.
Okay.
We
Do we eat bread?
yes.
Yes.
We eat bread. We drink milk. We
Narrative,
we
yes.
go out.
We go out, yes. What do we say in the evening?
Good evening.
Yes. What do we do in the evening?
We go home.
We come home.
We come home.
Yes.
We eat
Read.
read books.
Oh, yes.
We
Do we play with toys?
yes, we play with toys. We
Watch.
watch TV. We go to bed.
Yes, we go to bed in the evening. And what do we say at night?
Good night.
And what do we do at night?
We sleep.
We sleep at night. Yes, okay. I mean, look around. This is our classroom. What can you see in our classroom? What can you see?
Many books.
You can see many books, yes.
Bottles.
Okay, water. You can see a bottle of water.
Many pencils.
Many pencils. Well done.
White board.
How many blackboards can you see? How many blackboards? One?
Two.
Two. There are two blackboards. Yes. What else? What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? How many desks are there in our classroom? There are 4 desks. Five desks. Okay. Okay. Look around. What can you see? Big Pictures, okay. What else? TV. Mm-hmm. How many windows can you see? How many windows can you see? How many windows can you see?
4.
You can see 4 windows, okay. What else? I mean, look around. What can you see?
I can see the clock.
The clock. Can you tell me the time, please? What time is it now? Can you tell me the time, please? Is it 5 o'clock?
No.
Is it 2 o'clock?
No.
Is it 1 o'clock?
No. Is it 1?
Okay, it is 1 o'clock. Yes, right. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, do you like our classroom?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you like to speak English?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you.